JavaScript export. Welcome to JavaScript export. There are two types: default export and named export. Default export for working single class and named export for multiple classes. We create a classes.js JavaScript and create two classes in classes.js JavaScript, one person class and another software engineering class. Then we import these two classes by using named export in our index.js JavaScript file. Here is our export and classes: person class, software engineering class. Here we import our person class, our software engineering class from classes.js JavaScript file. Then our person class and software engineering class functionality, we write some code and okay, run. Fine, working nice. When you use default export, example, import person from classes.js JavaScript file. Thanks.